Guys, welcome back to GWIST Academy. This is another channel, GW Coding Academy. I'm going to show you how a short videos is working now. Short videos is very important for small YouTubers, also for those developed YouTubers, because it's help us to get more views and subscribe in general. As you see, for example, this one I got 829 views in just 2 days, right? There's other shorts for this one. You see here, as you see here, this is another one got more views, right? Let me show you. As you see here, can you imagine that this short got 1,200 views, right? And just in 47 days, meaning in one month. Actually, here shorts are playing a crucial role for small YouTubers, so you can use them to grow your channel. Actually, also this one, you see 800, also 1,000, also if you see this one also is 1,000. Actually, it's working. So what you need to do is just to be with us by just subscribing our channel, to share it to your colleagues so that also they can learn with us and see how you can use a short to grow our channel, right? Actually, for small YouTubers here, we need shorts because we need to get more views and because our videos can get viral, right? But once we need to develop time watched hours, also you can use short videos by linking them with our full videos, right? So that's why I would like to share to you how you can upload a short video in accurate and productive way, so that you can link them with your full videos, so that your videos can get more views accompanied with time watched hours and get monetized in just short time as possible. So thank you for watching this video. In next video, I'll show you how you can upload the short in advanced and productive manner. So see you in next video.